Ever felt that knot in your stomach when you're staring at your crypto portfolio, thinking, okay, great, I've made some gains, but how do I actually get that money out? Especially when it comes to platforms like Gemini, where you've diligently built your holdings, the withdrawal process can seem like navigating a digital maze. You're not alone. The question of how to withdraw from Gemini is one of the most common queries I get, and honestly, it's a valid one. After all, the whole point of investing is to eventually access those funds, right? We've all been there, scrolling through help pages, watching tutorials that seem to skip crucial steps, and ultimately, feeling a bit lost. So, let's cut through the confusion and break down the withdrawal process from Gemini into clear, actionable steps. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a crypto newbie, this video is designed to make withdrawing your funds as straightforward as possible. Now, let's get down to the brass tacks. Gemini offers several withdrawal methods, each with its own nuances. We'll cover the most common ones, focusing on clarity and practical application. First, let's talk about withdrawing fiat currency, like US dollars. This is typically the most common withdrawal type for those looking to convert their crypto gains back into traditional currency. 1. Linking your bank account. Before you can withdraw USD, you need to ensure your bank account is properly linked to your Gemini account. This is a crucial first step. Go to your Gemini account settings, navigate to the account section, and look for linked bank accounts. Add your bank account, follow the prompts to add your bank account details. This usually involves entering your routing number and account number. Verification. Gemini will typically perform a microdeposit verification. This means they'll send small deposits, usually a few cents, to your bank account. You'll then need to confirm the amounts on Gemini to verify your account. This process can take a few business days, so plan accordingly. 2. Initiating a USD withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked and verified, you can initiate a withdrawal. Navigate to the transfer section, look for the withdraw option. Select USD, choose USD as the currency you want to withdraw. Select your linked bank account, choose the bank account you want to send the funds to. Enter the withdrawal amount, specify the amount of USD you want to withdraw. Review and confirm, double-check all the details before confirming the withdrawal. Pay close attention to any fees that may apply. Processing time. Bank transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. Keep in mind that weekends and holidays can affect processing times. 3. Withdrawing cryptocurrency. Now, let's move on to withdrawing cryptocurrencies. This is essential if you want to transfer your crypto holdings to another wallet or exchange. Ensure you have a compatible wallet address. You'll need the receiving wallet address to which you want to send your crypto. Make sure the wallet is compatible with the specific cryptocurrency you're withdrawing. For example, you can't send Bitcoin to an Ethereum wallet. Navigate to the transfer section. Again, look for the withdraw option. Select the cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, e.g., Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Enter the receiving wallet address. Carefully paste the receiving wallet address. Double-check for any errors, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Enter the withdrawal amount. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Review and confirm. Review all the details, including the wallet address and withdrawal amount. Two-factor authentication. 2FA Gemini will likely require you to enter your 2FA code for security purposes. Network confirmations. Cryptocurrency withdrawals require network confirmations, which can take varying amounts of time depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network congestion. 4. Understanding fees. It's crucial to be aware of the fees associated with withdrawals. Fiat withdrawals. Gemini typically offers a certain number of free fiat withdrawals per month. After that, fees may apply. Check Gemini's fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. Cryptocurrency withdrawals. Cryptocurrency withdrawals often involve network fees, also known as gas fees. These fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network conditions. Gemini may also charge a withdrawal fee on top of the network fee. Fee transparency. Gemini aims to be transparent about its fees. Always review the fee details before confirming a withdrawal. 5. Security considerations. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency withdrawals. Double-check wallet addresses. Always double-check and triple-check the receiving wallet address before confirming a withdrawal. A single typo can result in the loss of your funds. Use 2FA. Enable two-factor authentication on your Gemini account to add an extra layer of security. Beware of phishing scams. Be wary of phishing emails or messages that attempt to trick you into revealing your login credentials or withdrawal information. Use strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for your Gemini account and other related accounts. Monitor your account. Regularly monitor your account activity for any suspicious transactions. 6. Troubleshooting common issues. Sometimes, you might encounter issues during the withdrawal process. Here are some common problems and their solutions. Withdrawal pending for too long. If your withdrawal is pending for an unusually long time, check the network status or contact Gemini support. Incorrect wallet address. If you entered an incorrect wallet address, unfortunately, the funds may be lost. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Insufficient funds. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Gemini account to cover the withdrawal amount and any applicable fees. Account verification issues. If you're experiencing account verification issues, contact Gemini support for assistance. 7. Gemini Active Trader versus Basic Interface. If you are using Gemini Active Trader, the layout may be slightly different than the basic interface. However, the underlying principles of withdrawal are the same. Look for the transfer or withdrawal tabs within the Active Trader interface. 8. Staying updated. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, and Gemini may update its withdrawal procedures or fees. It's essential to stay informed about any changes. Check Gemini's Help Center. Regularly check Gemini's Help Center for the latest information and updates. Subscribe to Gemini's announcements. Subscribe to Gemini's email or social media announcements to stay informed about any changes. Join the Gemini community. Participate in the Gemini community forums or social media groups to learn from other users and stay updated on the latest news. 9. Tax implications. Remember that cryptocurrency transactions, including withdrawals, may have tax implications. Consult with a tax professional to understand your tax obligations. 10. Final thoughts. Withdrawing funds from Gemini is a straightforward process when you understand the steps involved. By linking your bank account, carefully entering wallet addresses, and being aware of fees and security considerations, you can confidently access your crypto holdings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.